Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT voice conversation mode not working problem in ChatGPT. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info, click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search ChatGPT application, update your ChatGPT application latest version. You make sure your ChatGPT application is updated. Step 3. Open your phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT voice conversation mode not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.